guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am doing some no-bake Oreo truffles. So if you want to see how they turned out, just keep on watching, and remember to please subscribe, like, comment on this video, share it. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will get started with the video. Everything will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Alright guys, the first thing I did was put a line of Oreos in a plastic food bag, and I just pounded it all away. You could use a blender, but I didn't want to take mine out, so I just put it in this little baggie and just stomped it out as best as I can. And I literally just repeated it 3 times because these bags are a bit small, so I did it 3 times, and you guys would just see me beating away. How ghetto. You could use like a pinwheel, but I didn't have a pinwheel, so I used a bowl.
I wish I had the guts to start a conversation with someone.
Once it's all smashed up, I just put it inside this bowl and ended up using cream cheese from the Philadelphia brand. You guys could use any type of cream cheese, it does not matter. And in this particular, I guess, portion, I used 8 ounces of cream cheese. I did put a little bit too much, but you know, this is my first time making them. They still came out pretty good. In a small little bowl, I just used some of the crumbs into that bowl so I could use a little bit later, and this is when I add this cream cheese and just mush it all up. I use gloves because I don't like the feeling of when I am like putting it together, but still, you know, still came out good. When I used a little bit too much cream cheese, I didn't weigh it out, I just eyeballed it, but I used a little bit too much. But still, like I said, it did not come out too bad. Actually pretty good.
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure.
So once you do all that, this is how it should look like as soon as you put all the cream cheese and mixed it all together. So now it's time to roll out these balls. Let me tell you guys, this was super messy, but it still worked because I think I just, like I said, I put too much cream cheese. That's probably why it was a little bit sticky, but they still came out fantastic. I keep repeating myself, guys, but they really came out so good for my very first time. They were delicious, not gonna lie.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing.
So I've melted chocolate several times before in my videos, so you guys know the deal. I ended up using that type of chocolate and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds at defrost at a time. I think I did it in overall 2 minutes. Before I actually put it into the microwave. You guys see me there put some coconut oil. You can put any oil, but I use coconut because I feel like it melts better. And I did it 4 times for 30 seconds. You have to do it like little by little, just because you don't want to over heat your chocolate. So I ended up transferring the balls that came from the freezer, which I forgot to tell you guys. I put it in the freezer for 30 minutes so it could firm up. So finally, once my chocolate is finally melted, I just start dipping the balls right in the chocolate, and you guys can see me here using 2 forks just to, like, you know, cover the balls with the chocolate and just do what you see me here doing. Just dipping it and put it on the parchment, and then that's it. And you guys will see me pretty soon putting the crumbs on the balls, the ones that I put aside earlier.
All of the time when you're around me, but this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that.
So I ran out of white chocolate, but don't worry, I got myself some pink chocolate and I decided just to use that up because I still had balls left over that I wanted to use up, and did the same thing with the white chocolate dip and then added the crumbs on top. And then you guys see me here adding a little bit of drizzle on the ones that are only white, which came out pretty good. Dang, I'm giving myself compliment this whole entire time because I did good, guys. I did good. That is all to this no bake Oreo truffles. Super easy, but super messy, but super delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe, most importantly. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking